Come on. Do something. They're a little ready. Oh, hey, a little Esdre Perchi. Hello, man. How you going? Another Esdre Perch, but this time on the bait. Let me see you, man. Right in the shallow. Woo. Yeah. EP. Right here, a metre out. That's cool. Right in the fucking shallow. Pretty much 1 metre out. In the Savage gear. Minnow. Decent size. That's not bad. That's probably my biggest EP. That'd be nearly 30 or 40. Put him back. Coolio. I'm on. EP. That is a decent size EP. Oh, got a bit of weight. I wonder how big that is. Compare it to my rod. Oh, it's pretty thick too. Look at this. Measure it when I get home. It comes to there. Right to the L. It's probably my biggest EP. Woo. Get him off. He bent the hook. He's a strong bugger. Get him back. Bleeding a bit. See ya.